In this short video, I will show you how to share saved passwords instantly in iPhone. So as you can see right now, I'm in a iMessage conversation, and now here I will share saved passwords. First of all, go to the chat or conversation and just tap on the message box. And once your keyboard opened, again tap on the message box. And now tap on autofill. Select passwords. Tap on passwords. And now you have to verify your Face ID. Once you successfully verified your Face ID, here you will find the list of all saved passwords in your iPhone. Now just tap on the account, which account passwords you want to share, and tap on password, and the password will be automatically added into the message box. Now just tap on send to instantly share the saved passwords. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.